Hey adventurers! Ever found yourself craving a hot meal while on a backpacking journey, but aren't sure which stove to bring along? Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 backpacking stoves, breaking down their pros, cons, and everything in between. From the ultra-lightweight models to those that challenge even the windiest conditions, we've got you covered. And just a little tease, here are our contenders. Stick around to see which one might just be your next essential backpacking companion. Before we dive into the reviews, let's talk criteria. When it comes to backpacking stoves, we're not just talking about boiling water, we're talking about weight. Nobody wants to lug around a heavyweight, especially when every ounce counts. Fuel efficiency. A stove that sips rather than gulps fuel is always a winner. How many cups of water can you boil on a single canister? Boil time. Hungry hikers need quick meals. We've checked how fast each of these bad boys can boil your water. Durability. Will it stand the test of time? And the elements? We want gear that's built to last. And last, but not least, ease of use. Even in low light or freezing temps, your stove should be user-friendly. Alright, with these criteria in mind, let's get boiling and roasting. Let's begin our journey with the MSR PocketRocket 2. The MSR PocketRocket 2 is an ultra-lightweight canister stove weighing just 2.6 ounces. It's renowned for its efficiency, boiling water rapidly, making it a go-to for many backpackers. The compactness of this stove is evident, being incredibly easy to store, especially for backpacking. Its user-friendly design, including the water measuring cup, is a valuable addition. It boasts an adjustable flame feature, offering versatility in cooking. The pot it comes with is of commendable quality, with a silicone grip ensuring safe handling. Users have praised its durability, highlighting its performance against cheaper alternatives. One standout feature is its fuel efficiency, with reports of up to 24 boils on a single 100-gram fuel canister during extended trips. However, there are a few areas of concern. The plastic cup, which doubles as a kettle sleeve, has been reported to melt if left on during cooking. Although some images may suggest propane inclusion, the package doesn't actually come with it. The fuel is also not part of the package. The kettle sleeve's clear tint can be deceptive, leading users to unintentionally leave it on while cooking. If damaged, the company charges for replacements, which users should be aware of. To get a comprehensive view, let's update our comparison table for the MSR PocketRocket 2. Next up, we have the Jetboil Flash. The Jetboil Flash is a comprehensive canister stove system renowned for its rapid boiling capability. It stands out with its push-button igniter, a color change cooking indicator, and the flux ring technology ensuring efficient heating. One of the prime advantages is its efficiency. Users have frequently noted that it can boil water in times as short as 60 seconds. It's convenient, being quick to set up and cools down rapidly for storage. The design is self-contained, sturdy, and lightweight. A unique feature is the heat indicator on the side, which changes color to let you know when your water has boiled. Jetboil Flash also eliminates the need for a lighter with its piezo sparker and boasts an insulating handle, making handling safer. The compactness of all its parts and its potential to double as a coffee press adds to its versatility. On the downside, there have been reports of the piezo ignition having issues, with instances of the ceramic coating on the piezo ignition wire cracking after limited use. Wind sensitivity might be an issue for some users, as the stove could struggle to stay lit in breezy conditions. Another area of concern is the bottom cup. Users have noticed it doesn't stay on tight, occasionally needing additional methods to secure it. Now, let's update our comparison table to include the Jetboil Flash. Moving on to the Soto WindMaster. The Soto WindMaster boasts a design focusing on flame control, efficiency, especially in windy conditions, and durability. With its built-in windscreen, this stove ensures that your flame stays steady even when the breezes pick up. Flame control is a highlight with the WindMaster. Whether you need a gentle simmer or a roaring boil, this stove has got you covered. It's designed to be wind-resistant, and the built-in windscreen is a testament to its consistent performance. The piezo ignition system it houses is dependable, lighting up every single time, so no more fumbling around for external lighters. Despite its strong performance attributes, the WindMaster is compact, ideal for those backpacking trips. Its 4 flex pot stand offers stability, ensuring that your cooking adventures go unhindered. In terms of efficiency, users praise its quick and efficient burn, perfect for those outdoor boils and meals. However, there are areas where the WindMaster could improve. Users have pointed out a desire for a better storage solution to ensure the stove's longevity. While the 4 flex pot stand is a plus for many, some users would prefer a lighter 3-prong stand. A few have also mentioned the sensitivity of the adjustment valve, which can be unintentionally altered. Time to add the Soto WindMaster to our comparison table. Next on our list is the MSR WindBurner. The MSR WindBurner is a personal camping and backpacking stove system designed for those looking for efficiency and reliability, especially in challenging outdoor conditions. Its enclosed design combined with a windproof radiant burner ensures that you get consistent results, no matter the weather. This stove is known to boil water rapidly, proving its mettle even in freezing temperatures. One of its core features is the windproof design, ensuring your cooking experience isn't interrupted by gusty conditions. The WindBurner's construction is solid and durable, in line with MSR's reputation for quality. Users have praised its efficient fuel consumption, particularly in adverse conditions. When it comes to storage, the WindBurner excels with its self-contained components, streamlining the packing process. While primarily for boiling water, with the right attachments, you can expand its culinary repertoire. While it packs a punch in performance, it lacks an integrated piezo lighter, meaning you'll need an external ignition source. To unlock its full potential in cooking, specific WindBurner accessories are a must, which might be a downside for some who seek versatility. And a note to the wise, some users have pointed out the lid design might be a bit challenging immediately post-boiling due to its short pull tab. Let's update our comparison table with the MSR WindBurner's details. Rounding out our top 5 is the Snow Peak LiteMax Titanium Stove. The Snow Peak LiteMax is an ultralight camping stove made of durable titanium, aimed at outdoor enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on weight or efficiency. With its design, the LiteMax offers a stable cooking platform compatible with most isobutane canisters. One of its biggest selling points? Its featherweight design. This stove is an ultralight backpacker's dream. The compact nature of the LiteMax means it can be easily tucked away into a small pot or even a cup. With Snow Peak's well-earned reputation, it's no surprise the LiteMax boasts of quality and durability. It also provides a solid, expandable base, ensuring stability for a variety of pot sizes. Users have found it consistently dependable and straightforward to use, and the flame control regulator offers an even, steady flame, which is a boon for those looking to simmer their meals. On the downside, some users have mentioned it's not the most fuel efficient, taking a bit longer to heat up. Without a windscreen, its performance can dip in windy conditions, so it might not be your best mate in gusty weather. And though it's a minor point, a heat shield could potentially boost its efficiency, reducing overall heat loss during use. Time to add the Snow Peak LiteMax details to our comparison table. Now that we've taken a deep dive into our top 5 backpacking stoves, let's see how they stack up side by side. First up, the weight. Remember, in backpacking, every ounce matters. We saw the MSR PocketRocket 2 as an ultra-lightweight option at just 2.6 ounces, but the Snow Peak LiteMax also stands out as a featherweight champion. Fuel efficiency is a big deal. You want to know your stove won't guzzle up fuel. The Jetboil Flash and MSR WindBurner garnered praise in this aspect. The time it takes to boil water is crucial when you're famished. The Jetboil Flash boasts times as quick as 60 seconds. When it comes to durability, many of these stoves are built to withstand the challenges of the trail, but the MSR PocketRocket 2 and the Soto WindMaster have particularly strong reputations. Lastly, ease of use. It's essential, especially when you're tired from a day's hike. Most of our picks today score high here, but the MSR PocketRocket 2 and Jetboil Flash get special mentions for their user-friendly designs. Here's a consolidated view of all the stoves based on our criteria. Well, adventurers, That brings us to the end of our deep dive into the top 5 backpacking stoves. Remember, the best stove for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Are you looking for ultra lightweight, superior fuel efficiency, or maybe wind resistance? Make sure to consider where you'll be hiking, the conditions you'll face, and the type of cooking you plan to do. Whether you're whipping up gourmet meals or simply boiling water, there's a stove out there perfect for you. We'd love to hear your experiences. Maybe you've tried one of these stoves, or perhaps you have a personal favorite we didn't cover today. Drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your fellow trailblazers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews and outdoor tips. Until next time, happy trails and happy cooking.